It's like holding it.
They're like eating its mouth.
I guess that's the easiest thing to get to. They don't know how to get to the skin. Oh, now they're gonna get out the eye. They have to like, you might want to get out the way.
Well, they just hang fishes up. They just catch fish, and that's what they usually eat. Corey's the only one that views my thing. Oh, you got the eye.
Oh, the other one has a fish too.
Oh, you need that.
Give up.
Yeah, toby color, toby don't know.
私もそう思う。あ、そうそう。
They can eat the body.
The skin, they can probably eat the inside, but not the skin.